Hi guys, earlier January 2024, the first activity, but today I would like to move on this. This is the special flower we call Euphorbia. It's very good, but the trees look like some, this very some stone there, and it's very good looking actually. There is some small flower, see, it's very good one. Okay, but I put there in the temporary pot as from the Nippon paint Nippon paint pot. Okay, Nippon paint blacks the temporary. I would like to move on to this special old pot actually. So hope the nice looking and feel different. So this is today I would like to do for the activity for today. Okay guys, I would like to starting the work, then I would like to show you whenever they move on changing the pot already. Okay, I'll be back. Hey guys, after I take out it from the temporary pot, actually I need at least 2 or 3 pot, because see I can buy this one is for another plant, another plantation or another pot. Okay, this one is another pot, and also guys, see this also good root. So this is for another pot. So I think 2. Okay, and this is another one root. Okay, see I have 3 pot. Okay, and the last is this is the big one, the root. Okay, see another pot. So I have divide this 3 or 4 pot. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, this is actually the flower. Temporary I take out, divide 1, 2, 3, 4. This is actually it's the old pot also, but after choice from the others. Okay, so I will show you whenever it's already in the new place, in the new flower pot. Okay. Hi guys, after I move on from the the temporary pot, this is Nippon paint pot. Now you got 3 the Euphorbia pot flower. Now you one here. It's this is one. Okay, this is one. This is one. This is the second one. Second pot. See, I cut something so become better. Okay. Okay, so another 3 is need another pot. You finish a pot on the temporary big blue pot. I want to buy another pot. So actually we have 3. Okay, 3 Euphorbia Flower is a nice spot from the other one. So this is what is my activities today. For the first activities, early January 2024. So this is my activity. So I don't know what is my friend all activities. So this is okay. So this is looking for another pot. So all right. So become the 3 pot. Okay. Bye. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.